back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to do Bantu knots. That is why my hair looks, just washed it. Obviously it's freshly washed. I haven't touched it, done anything to it. When I get out of the shower, I just literally wring my hair out and then I don't touch it. I don't put a towel on it. I don't put a shirt on it or anything, because I want that water, that moisture to stay in my hair as I'm styling it. When I'm in the shower, what I wash my hair with, most of the time I do co-wash my hair, meaning majority of the times that I do wash my hair is with conditioner. Every 2 times I wash my hair, I try to throw in my shampoo. And for shampoo, I'm loving the Aussie Moist shampoo. This shampoo is really good for natural hair or any type of hair that needs a lot of moisture. This shampoo is very moisturizing. It's not gonna dry your hair up and have your hair like matting all crazy. So I really like this, and you can find this at Target for like $3 and change, like $4 really. Like, go to Target for your hair products. Natural girls, go to Target for your hair products, because you will save the most money and they have like jumbo size everything, and you will save money. And you know, we need, as natural girls, we need a lot of product. After I wash my hair, of course, I go in with conditioner. And for conditioner, I've been using the Herbal Essence Rose Hip Conditioner. I love this conditioner because it smells so good. I honestly got it for the smell, but I was actually surprised because I've never tried this brand. And when I tried this conditioner, my hair was really soft. So yeah, I mixed that one with this L'Oreal Aleve Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo. Well, this is the shampoo. I actually use the conditioner version of this. Basically has protein and ceramide in the conditioner, so it's supposed to help your hair with like strength and things like that. Also, after I finish rinsing out everything, I take like a pea size of conditioner while my hair is still wet, and I put that all throughout my hair. And I basically use that as like a leave-in conditioner. I don't then come out and put a leave-in conditioner and stuff like that, just because I have no leave-in conditioners that I like. So I take this one section, which is the middle, and basically I'll do this and I get that out the way just because I like doing this last. I'm gonna split my hair in 4. And depending on how my hair feels, I will add a little bit more conditioner. My hair feels like it could use a bit more. Then I'm gonna take that section and detangle it. It's done. I'm going to braid it. Now that your hair is detangled and your sections are prepped, this is the time you want to take to go get a snack. For my Bantu knots, for my twist outs, anything of the sort, I love using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus line. I love the Curl Enhancing Smoothie for this. I love the Curl Enhancing Smoothie for my twist outs. OMG, they was just, my hair smelled good, my hair was moisturized, my hair was soft, and when you touch your hair and go through your hair, it didn't leave like sticky or greasy product in your hair. Like, it's a really beautiful formula. I know sometimes people say that like Shea Moisture products don't work for every hair type, but that's why you have to go out and try products for yourself. Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk with silk protein and neem oil. Because it's not a cream, instead it's like a milk one, it has more moisture in it and it has a better slip. And this is a styling milk, so it is still great for styling, for doing all that styling and stuff. I would say if you have thicker hair, I would suggest the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. If you have thinner hair, I would suggest this bad boy, which is the Curl and Styling Milk, or you can use both. The way I do my Bantu knots is no real rhyme and reason. Now, your rule of thumb will go based on your preference of how you want your Bantu knots to look. If you want a fuller, like bigger curl, you want to do it in bigger sections. If you want a tighter curl and your style to last longer, you want to do it in smaller sections. Here, it might seem like a big section, but it's really not a lot of hair attached to it because my hair is on the thinner side, and I don't like using a lot of product. I'm just gonna use about this much, like that, and make sure it's saturated all through the hair. Make sure you really want to make sure you get product all the way up to the root, because you want all of your hair to be nice and moisturized. And I twist the hair like such. I'm gonna wrap it around. Like that, and keep wrapping it and wrapping it. And wrapping it. Now, like I said, based on your preference is how big or small you're gonna do it. I like to go like a natural pattern. So usually people have looser curls on the top and tighter curls to the back. So that's what I like to do, like have tighter curls in the back and looser curls in the front. Once again. Make sure it's fully saturated. Make sure it's fully detangled. I'm gonna twist. Anymore, then you're gonna have your Bantu knot. And I'm just gonna keep repeating this process around the whole head until it is done. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm done. As you can see, I didn't part them any like special way. I really just went in and did them. However, in the middle, I made sure to put these right in the middle just because I want my afro to look rounded. I don't want there to be any like space when I take it out. Leave them in overnight, and then I'll be back tomorrow to show you guys how I take it out and what I do to make it really big and full and fluffy looking. So hi guys, so I'm back and I'm better. Yes, it's the next day. Actually, it's the next 2 days because I didn't really go nowhere yesterday. So I was like, why take my hair out if I'm not going anywhere? This is matcha. Get on that matcha life. I love matcha. I'm trying to switch from coffee to matcha. Anyway, it tastes really good. I use silk milk, like soy milk. Or coconut milk, but it tastes really good. I love matcha. So I'm going to take some coconut oil. I have a big gigantic jug of organic coconut oil, and I get that from Costco, and I put a little bit aside in a container just for my hair, because you don't want to be going in the same thing for hair and then cooking and then body stuff, like ew. So I have it in a little container for my hair. I'm gonna just put a little tiny bit of oil on my hands, so when I'm taking out the Bantu knots, my hair doesn't get all dry. You do not want to take your Bantu knots out unless they are fully dry, because if you take them out a second earlier, you will get frizz. So So yeah, let's take these bad boys out. And when I take them out, I just take them apart one time and I just leave it alone. I don't like to rake through it because that will make it frizzier. Okay, so this is how your hair will look with when you take out all the Bantu knots. Oh, but another key point is to add oil because you don't want your hair to frizz up really bad while you're puffing it out. You want that nice puffy afro look, but you don't want it to look like you did your hair 5, 6, 7 days ago. So yeah, we're gonna oil up our hands again. And I like to oil up my whole hand. Some people oil up their fingertips, but you can never be too sure. And I'm just going to start separating. And gently take the curls and pull them down, and then put my fingers like this, and then kind of rake from the root out. Kind of if you had a pick. I saw some people doing this with the pick, and I honestly don't have one. And that is how I get my curly fro, guys. You guys have been asking for this video for some time now, so I'm glad I finally got the time to film it for you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.